Are you ready to launch your website's data tracking and understand your users on a whole new level? First, let's head over to Google Tag Manager. If you don't have one set up already, you'll need to create a container for your website. This container acts as the central hub for managing all your tracking code. Now, in Tag Manager, go to the Tags section and click New. Then, start by choosing your tag configuration. Select Google Analytics Universal Analytics if you are using that version, or Google Analytics GA for Event if you are using the newer version. This setting is very important. Next, enter your Google Analytics Tracking ID or the Measurement ID. You can find this in your Google Analytics account. It should look like a series of numbers or letters and numbers pasted into the specified field in the tag configuration. Then comes the triggering phase. This is essential. Click in the triggering section and choose a trigger. The trigger tells Tag Manager when this tag should fire. For a basic page view tracking, you'll typically select the All Pages trigger. Double check all previous steps and make sure everything looks right. Be sure you're using the correct analytics version. You may want to name your tag very specifically so you know what is being tracked. For example, GA for page view. Then, just click Save. Now, for more advanced tracking, let's trigger an event. You'll need to create a new tag. You'll again select the Google Analytics option and Event. Under Tag Configuration, enter an event category, Event Action, and Event Label. Then you'll need to create a custom trigger for this. It will depend on what you want to track. A common one is a button click. Configure it with your desired settings and then save. Once you finish this configuration, you must submit your container to publish the changes. Now all of your configured settings will go live for great insights and data tracking.